Go bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Hey.
Hey.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say we're going to the store.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are in the car and we are about to go get all of our groceries. If you watched my previous video, which I will link in this video for you guys to check out, I shared with you how I prepare to shop for a large family of 5. We've got 3 kids and my husband works a lot, and what he does in his job requires a lot of energy, so he's hungry all the time. So I've got to keep this house stocked. So I'm going to be going to 3 different places today: Costco, WinCo, and if you have not seen my WinCo, turn the radio down before it turns it loud. If you have not seen my WinCo shopping haul, I will post that in this video as well, so you can check it out. So I'm going to be going there and also to a really cute farm stand to get our produce. So let's get into it. Actually, but first, we got to go to the most important place. Ooh, okay, I am ready.
What can I do for you?
What is the biggest size I can get in the cinnamon caramel cream nitro cold brew?
For nitro, the biggest I can do is my grande, which is a 16 ounce.
Okay, so I'll do that. And then, can I get a little bit of extra cinnamon and caramel?
Yeah.
And then,
how many extra pumps did you want to do?
I'll just do one. Can I get I'm gonna do the birthday cake. Hey.
24 today.
Hold up a little too far.
Awesome.
Straw, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Have a good one. Thank you. And now that I have procured my coffee and got my son a K-pop, we are off to do our grocery shopping. Make sure there's nobody behind me. Is that good? Is it? Oh my gosh, you ate that so fast. Are you happy? That I am going to hit WinCo first because it is on the way to the farm stand. So I'm basically just going to be going in a circle, circling back around to my house. It just makes sense. And also the farm stand closes at like 6 and it is 3:45. So I've only got a few things to get from WinCo, and then I'm going to hit up the farm stand. I'm so excited to show you guys that farm stand. We anticipate them opening every season. They're usually open for a few months throughout the year. You ready to go into the store? You ready to go to the store? Yeah. Okay, so we are in the car and I'm at a stoplight right now, on the way to the Red Barn Market with literally, like, by the time I get there, it'll be like 45 minutes to spare. I know what I want, got my list, so I don't need to, you know, spend too much time there. I'm just glad that I'm able to make it. now off to my third and final store, Costco, and I am getting gas. Gas right now at Costco is $3, and I think when on the app, I think I saw it was $3.49. 10 out of 10 recommend that you pay and get that Costco membership just for the gas. Like, the gas alone pays for itself, honestly. Okay guys, so I am in the car. I just got gas at Costco and I am headed to one more spot. My husband had a special request, so that's where I'm gonna go right now, and then I am headed home and I am going to show you guys everything I got and give you the total price of everything. Okay, so I am finally home and it is 8:45 at night. So let's go ahead and go right over everything that I got. Me and the kids brought everything in and we put it on the dining room table in the schoolroom because there was so much stuff and I needed all the space to show you guys. So let's jump right in. Okay, starting right in the middle is my items that I got from WinCo. So I've got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal. This is 1.5 pounds. I did a pound of roasted, no, this is 2 pounds of roasted chickpeas for a snack. I did a pound of the peanut butter filled pretzels. This is a favorite for the kids. I got 12 of these cute little like Rice Krispie treats. They were 48 cents a piece, and I figured this is gonna be like a great little treat for the kids. 3 cans of the Del Monte pineapple chunks. That's gonna go great in the snack boxes. 2 pounds of the peanut butter puff cereal. 1.5 pounds of the honey roasted Cheerios. That is such a great snack for the little ones. My son loves them and he likes to eat them for breakfast too, like just dry. And I always throw them in his snack box as well. Our favorite Mega Bites goldfish. And then I got a 40 count of the Black Forest Juicy Burst gummies. So this is my whole order right here just from WinCo. Now moving to what I got from the farm stand, which is in this box. I got 2 things of bananas. I got 1 green just because I don't want them to go bad too fast. So 1 green stack, 1 yellow, 2 things of grapes, 2 things of strawberries. So they are a pound each, so 2 pounds. 2 pounds of blueberries, and then I got, I believe that's a full pound between the 2 of blackberries. I got a thing of the small baby carrots. This stole the show. This was my impulse item. These are strawberry cheesecake cookies. I usually only see these at the farm stand, so there's 4 in here. They're like biscuits. They're so good, so thick, and I'm so excited to have one with my coffee in the morning. On to my Costco haul. Starting on this side, I ended up getting ravioli lasagna with the pork bolognese sauce. Never had it, but they always have it, and they're usually like down to just a little bit, so I'm assuming they're pretty good, so we're gonna try that. I got avocados for my husband and for the kids. Those are going to do good in the snack boxes too. I got a thing of peppers. There are 6 total in here. These Kirkland brats, these are so good with a little bit of sauerkraut and pepper and onions. I'm telling you, you have to try. I got a thing of corn because it's corn and it's good. Got 1 thing of fancy olive oil for like salads and dressings. And then I just got a regular thing of olive oil just to cook with. My next pre-made meal that I decided to try were these gyros. So it says in here you can make 6 with what they give you. So I don't know if it's good or not. Never had it. When I talked to the cashier, she said they've only had these in for about a week now. So not sure. I will let you guys know in my next video or whenever we decide to eat these if these are good and it is a must-have or not. Hit or miss. I have a huge thing of bread. I have a thing of 4 packs of butter. We have 2 packs of 24 organic cage-free eggs. 3 things of almond milk. We go through almond milk pretty fast, so this is always a good deal. As usual, I got our boxes of pizza. I did cheese and pepperoni this time. As you can see, we've already broken into it. With me getting home so late from my shopping trip, I figured the kids could have pizza for dinner. We have 2 things of liquid IV. One is going to go with my husband to work, and then we'll probably leave one here. I got the immune support this time just because it's like 6 season, and I feel like we need to be hydrated and we need an immune boost. So I've never had these before. I think my sister-in-law has used these and she likes them. So I figured we'd give it a try. Organic Fuji apples. Apples right now are just so good and the kids love them. Animal crackers, once again, if you guys haven't tried these are so good. This is our second time buying them. And I'm telling you, best animal crackers that I've had this far, and they are organic, so that's always a plus in my book. We have Style Ranch, pack of pepper jack and hot habanero jack cheese. 2 packs of these sausages. Never had these before, but we will see. They are smoked sausages, individually wrapped, kind of like Slim Jims, but like better, I guess. I have a 3 pack of cucumbers, and I always get these street tacos when they have them. This is my 3rd pre-made meal, and I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong with these. If you've ever had them, you know how good they are. So as I always say, 10 out of 10 recommend. I have a 4 pack of ribeye steaks. So that is it for the actual grocery portion of my grocery haul today, like as far as food items. Over here in this chair, I have 2 packs of laundry pods. I got 2 new things of the Dawn Power Wash. They have this lemon scent. I've never used this before, and I figured I would try it because I'm obsessed with the smell of lemons. I got a salad tosser, but I plan on using this also for washing my like fruits and veggies. A pack of the Swiffer Heavy Duty Pet mopping cloths. I like to use our Swiffer in between mopping the floor. Over here, I have storage bags. I got the quart size and the gallon size. I got another thing of the unbleached parchment paper and aluminum foil, lighter fluid. We got a refill of trash bags. Got my husband and I 2 trash cans for either side of our bed in our room. And then at Costco, I got this ProKeeper fresh produce set that I am going to put all my veggies and stuff, not veggies, my fruit in after I wash them. And then last, I got a pack of paper towels. Okay, so here is one last look of everything that I got, and here is the prices that I paid for everything. So at Costco, I came in at $446.15. At the Red Barn Market, for all the produce I got, plus the bomb cookies, $65.38. And at WinCo, I spent $54.45. So I ended up coming in at $116.01 over budget just for groceries. And honestly, I'm not mad about it because I got double of most things. So all of this is going to last us for a long time. And yeah, so this is how I kind of stored everything. Just wanted to give you guys a little peek-see into that. That is everything in the order that I did today. Will not have to go grocery shopping in 2 weeks again like I normally do. And honestly, after today, going to 4 different stores, I'm totally fine with not having to go grocery shopping again for a while. Like I'm good. I don't want to leave the house. I'm fine. It's been an eventful day. It's been a fun day. I'm so glad that I was able to share it with you guys and you guys came along for my vlog. Thank you as always for tuning in and spending the day with us, getting to know us a little more each time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That helps so much. And don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified when I post. And if you love this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.